Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for St. Patrick's Day, Thursday, March 17th, 2016. It is 7:30 a.m. and there's a little bit of fog out there, especially over southern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania, where visibility is below an eighth of a mile in some locations. So some pretty dense fog out there that has developed. That fog will lift by about 10 a.m. as the sun rises and we get a little bit more mixing in the atmosphere. Temperatures right now range from the lower to mid 40s along the coast, a few upper 40s to lower 50s mixed in there, and way off into the interior we have temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. So pretty much it depends on where the low-level clouds are pretty much set up, thus the warmer temperatures. Winds are also from the northwest around 5 miles per hour, and that will shift to the southwest as we move on through the day ahead of various shortwave troughs and cold fronts that will be moving through the region today and for tomorrow. For the parade today, not all that bad. Now, there will be a threat for a shower or two, but for the most part, it will be dry with temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. So really, you can't ask for better weather. Last year, we were struggling to break 40s, so clearly a much better weather condition for the parade this year. So certainly get out there and enjoy it. When we take a look at the radar, we do have a few showers that are approaching the region. Again, not a washout, but just a bit of a nuisance. These showers will be capable of producing a heavy downpour at times, but for the most part, most locations will remain dry today with variable cloud cover. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see clearly a variety of disturbances that are moving through the region. Now, we have the main cold front that's off the coast, but we have these little short waves that are going to be rotating around the primary low here. So you get one here, you got another one in the Great Lakes. So that's going to be rotating through the region for today. And then tomorrow, this cold front will be moving through, and this cold front will be capable of producing a few scattered showers as well. An isolated thunderstorm is possible, but not likely. And those thunderstorms would feature vivid lightning because of cold air aloft, and the potential for some small hail, much like what we saw yesterday. Most locations, though, will miss out. And as far as the duration, by this evening, most of these showers and thunderstorms will be collapsing and rapidly weakening as the instability in the atmosphere collapses. Now, we have a lot to talk about with this forecast because there is potential, after temperatures in the 60s, of a significant snowfall Sunday night and Monday. There's a lot of questions involved in this, so the forecast is not concrete. There's a lot of potential for changes here, but it's certainly something to keep an eye on. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, there will be a threat for a few isolated widely scattered showers, highs in the mid to upper 60s. For tonight, look for variable cloud cover with temperatures falling into the mid 40s for lows, and for tomorrow, look for widely scattered showers clearing towards the late afternoon and evening hours, with temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s. On Saturday, look for high pressure to be in complete control and much colder, with lows in the lower to mid 30s and highs in the mid 40s. We should be in the lower to mid 50s for this time of year, so clearly a much colder air mass. And then we're going to watch this low pressure system right here. It's going to track towards the North Carolina coast by Sunday morning, and then track towards the New England coastal waters by Monday morning. And that right there is a perfect track for snowfall potential. So again, here we are on Sunday with this low pressure system developing. Look for increasing clouds throughout the day. Snow, rain, and snow showers will be developing in the afternoon, transitioning to snow by the time we get to the evening. Now, the exact track of this low pressure system is really important. If it tracks a little bit further to the west, you get more warm air mixed in there, and you get kind of a rain-snow mix on the coast, a little bit more snow over the interior. This low tracks a little bit further east, then the bulk of the heavy precipitation remains off the coast, and you just end up with a few scattered snow showers. So there's still a lot of questions to work out here, but there's an increasing potential for 4 inches or more of snowfall throughout the entire northern mid-Atlantic by the time we get to Monday morning. Temperatures on Sunday will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s for lows and mid to upper 30s for highs. Again, we should be in the lower to mid 50s for highs, so well below normal for this time of year. And then on Monday, look for lows in the upper 20s, just about the time when that snowfall will be at its peak. So you can see temperatures will be cold enough for snow accumulation. high temperatures in the lower 40s. On Tuesday and Wednesday, and even on Thursday, high pressure will generally be in control with a developing southwesterly flow, and that means temperatures will be moderating throughout the week. Look for temperatures on Tuesday in the lower 30s for lows and mid to upper 40s for highs. Temperatures on Wednesday in the upper 30s for lows and upper 50s to lower 60s for highs. And temperatures on Thursday in the mid 40s for lows and upper 50s to lower 60s for highs. That is your forecast discussion for today. We'll have more information on this developing winter storm potential tomorrow, with the potential for a public snow map probably by tomorrow afternoon. So we'll break down that forecast and give you the latest information. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.